Good morning, boys and girls. I cannot believe that we are already at Thursday of this week, and it is already the 23rd of April. I remember when we did this on March 23rd and me saying I love the 23rd because my birthday's on the 23rd, and we're now a whole month away from that. So this is really flying. So good morning. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, and if I were to write that out using numbers, it would be 4 January, February, March, April, dash 23 because it's the 23rd day of the month, dash 20 because that is the last two numbers of our year. Yesterday it was still very cold out. Today it's supposed to be warmer. It's supposed to be 62 degrees Fahrenheit, but it is supposed to rain. This cloud reminds me of the Cloud Man from Trolls, who wasn't as funny in the second Trolls, but he was my favorite character in the first Trolls. He makes me laugh. We're still in the season of spring. Yesterday was Wednesday, which means tomorrow is Free Day Friday, Free Day Friday. And I wrote a number on the board, so we're going to determine if it is odd or even. So let's sing our odd and even song first. There was a cow, and even was her name. Oh, 02468, 02468, 02468, and even was her name. Oh, I knew a pig, and odd was her name. Oh, 13579, 13579, 13579, and odd was her name. Ooh. Hold on 1 minute. Maddox is like crying. What do you need?
Fell down the stairs.
Okay, you're fine.
The wooden stairs.
Okay, go get some ice. Okay, sorry.
Broke.
All right, so the number is 5,432. It just fell again. Is that number odd or even? It is even. And the reason we know that it is even is because there's a 2 in the ones place. And if I drew out 2 counters, they are very happy because they have a friend to go on a walk with. The 3 is in the tens place. The 4 is in the hundreds place, HTO. We love HTO. And the 5 is in the thousands place. All right. If I were to write that out in expanded form, let me shimmy it down a little bit. We would have 5,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2. All right, as I had said yesterday, I'm going to do a practice addition and practice subtraction problem with you every day. So as I'm erasing this, I want you to get a piece of paper out or a whiteboard if you have that at home. If you don't have that out and ready to go, hit the pause button so that you can do this with me so that we stay fresh with our addition and subtraction problems. So let's start with an addition problem today. I want everybody to write 362 plus 241. Okay, if you do not have a piece of paper or a whiteboard out, hit the pause button, go get it so that you can do this along with us. All right, so I very neatly wrote out these numbers, but in addition to that, so that I stay neat and organized and I know that I'm following the correct order of starting in the ones place, moving to the tens, moving to the hundreds, I'm going to go ahead and write my HTO. So I'm going to draw my line just like we used to in class. And I'm going to write my HTO, hundreds, tens, ones. And I know I always start in the ones place. So 2 plus 1 equals, good, it equals 3. Did I have to carry anything over? No. 3 ones can just stay in the ones place. There was not an extra set of tens that I needed to carry over. All right, let's look at the tens place. 6 plus 4 equals, very good, it equals 10. Now, can I write 10 right here in the middle? No, that would be too many. You can only have one digit in each place value. So there's a 0 in the ones place in the number 10, so I write my 0 there, and I'm going to carry that 1 over to the tens place. All right, so now I'm going to add up these 3 numbers together. Don't forget to add up the number that you carried over. So 1 plus 3 equals 4, and 4 plus 2 equals 6. Very good. So your answer for that one should have been 603 3. Who got it right? Give me a thumbs up. Good. I hope everybody gave me a thumbs up. All right, we're going to do another problem. So either erase your whiteboard or find a new sheet of paper underneath. All right, so the number we're going to subtract today for our practice subtraction is 769 minus 572.
I'm not for one.
Okay. Everybody take a moment to write those numbers in. I'll give you a second. Ooh. Sorry, my kids are bothering me during my lessons today.
I can't open this. I need to.
All right, so I'm going to do my HTO so that I know that I'm neat and organized. If you need more time to write the problem down, just hit the pause button. Don't move ahead. So I have HTO. I always start in the ones place. And when we subtract, we always have to remember the BBB rule. If the bottom number is bigger, you have to borrow. So starting in the ones place, check. Is the bottom number bigger? No, 2's not bigger than 9. So I can just subtract that one. 9 minus 2 equals 7. All right, the next category or place value is the tens column. We have to check to see if the bottom number is bigger or not. Is 7 bigger than 6? Ooh, it is. So we need to borrow because we can't take 7 tens away from 6 tens. There's not enough tens there. So we're going to borrow from the hundreds place. We're going to take one of those hundreds away. So now we only have 6 hundreds. And we're going to break that 100 into 10 tens. So we're going to move a 10 over. So we're going to add that 10 to the 6 that is already there. And that now becomes a 16. And now we can subtract. 16 minus 7 equals what? Good. It equals 9. And 5 is not bigger than 6, so we can subtract. 6 minus 5 equals 1. So your answer for that one should have been 197. All right. I hope that everybody did a great job with their addition and subtraction problem. And for today, you're going to complete Chapter 8 math review. And it goes pretty quick. It was only like 1.5 YouTube videos, so it's a quick lesson today. And I thought that it went pretty well. Like, I feel like you're going to do a nice job. You would have done a nice job on the test. So you have your math assignment, watch this morning meeting. You will have a writing prompt that you need to complete, and 30 minutes of Splash Math or Splash Learn or MobyMax. So keep up the great work. I miss everybody very much. If you need anything, email me. Okay? Talk to you soon. Miss you. Love you. Bye.